is Steam Smart E.
After meticulously planning and spending a fortune, you're finally on your dream vacation, relaxing on the beach or next to the pool. It suddenly strikes you. What if there's a power cut and the food in my fridge starts to rot? What if I'm hit with a large electricity bill just because I forgot to turn the iron off? We from Excalibur are here to put all your anxious thoughts to rest by introducing Smarty, the home automation system with remote access control. So let's just imagine Pasan here and me are in a house. I'm a bit lazy to stand up and switch the light on, but Pasan, who is online, will switch the light on for me through a web interface. But switching these things through the web interface, we have to think, what happens to our traditional switches? Will they be obsolete? I guess not. Then, is that thunder that I hear? Now I want to cut the power off to the entire house. I'm a bit scared to go up to the trip switch. What do? I simply grab my phone, feature phone, smartphone, whatever, type in a USSD code, and then I wait. And the power to the house is disrupted. Boys, we need the power back part. So this is Smarty. These are some of the simple functionalities of it, but the scope is quite large. Just imagine you have a power outage in your house and you don't know. You will be alerted through SMS that you have suddenly had a power cut in your house. And then, say there is a power cut once again, but your CCTV camera system has to run so that thieves have no chance of getting into your house. Smarty has a secondary level security system which will activate your CCTV camera so that your house is safe while you're away. So what makes Smarty special is its features, starting with the central control board, which connects the Smarty switches. So what are Smarty switches? They are smart switches, which have a 4-bit identity code, which also acts as a state-changing mechanism, so that whether you interface the switch through messaging, through USSD, manually or through the web, you can be sure that your switch is not redundant by maintaining several states. So this is the Smarty switch. These Smarty switches are all connected to the central control board. And also because of the 4-bit pattern, your Smarty switch will be connected just simply through simple wires rather than the thick wiring that is usually used to wire a house. So this exciting technology uses a few APIs. The first is the IoT API, which is used to access and control the Smarty switches. Then to make sure that this technology is available not only for smartphone users, but also for feature phone users, we have used the SMS and the USSD API. And to gain revenues, we have used the subscription API. So who will be our target market? Specifically homeowners, because there are 1.5 billion homes around the world. So it's quite a large market. And the sad thing is the current technology is quite too expensive for most middle-class families to bear. So this technology will be affordable for them. Also, we want to spread this technology to small-scale businesses so that they can also benefit from this amazing technology. So why should you choose Smarty? Number one, it's cost-effective, because currently the solutions out there are way too expensive. It can cost as much as $50 per switch. And it's also available, as I said before, for all types of phones. So you don't have to own a smartphone to be able to use Smarty. Also, it's economical because, as I said before, the wiring system uses simple wires, not the thick wires used in households. And it's also comprehensive. So Smart E is ready. Are you?
All right, your time is up. Thank you.